How do I get started selling my house to Evervest Home Buyers?
How do you get started? But you can call me up or contact me online. We'll have about, honestly, I'd say my average phone call initially is somewhere between 5 and 10 minutes. I'm going to ask me a few things about the house. Mostly I'm going to ask you about the general layout of the house.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to ask you about what you're trying to accomplish time frame wise. If there's other people involved, and then you'll give me a general feel for the condition of the house. At that point, I'll know whether it's worth your time and mine to come out and take a look and move any further. And if it's not, I'll be honest. Like if you call me up and you have a beautiful home that could be listed on the MLS and you want top dollar for it, listing it with the real estate agent makes more sense than selling it to someone like me. And we can help with that.
Mm-hmm.
It's approached differently, obviously. It's going to get listed on the MLS versus me just coming in, taking a look at it and saying, okay, running my numbers and saying, okay, this is what I can pay, for kind of a nice, clean, no headache offer
Mm-hmm.
versus going through the headaches of the traditional sale.